In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant user to QuickBooks Online. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online company with an admin level role. You'll also want your accountant's first name, last name, and the email address they prefer to use for QuickBooks. Getting those details right the first time helps avoid bounce invitations and delays. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. In the upper right corner, look for the small gear-shaped settings icon. Click that to open your company settings and tools. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Users. This is where you control who can access your books and what they can do. Inside Manage Users, switch to the Accounting Firm section. This area is dedicated to inviting professional accountants and bookkeepers. It assigns a special role built for accounting work, giving them the tools they need without using one of your regular user seats. Click Accounting Firms to open that page. Next, select Invite Firm. This begins the invitation process and tells QuickBooks you want to add an external accounting professional. If you see options for how to invite, choose Enter My Accountant's email. This ensures the invite goes straight to the correct inbox, rather than using a general link. You'll now enter your accountant's details. Type their first name, then their last name. Use the name they recognize professionally so the invitation is clear on their end. In the email field, carefully enter the email address your accountant uses for QuickBooks. Take a moment to double-check spelling and punctuation. A small typo can prevent the invite from reaching them. When everything looks correct, click Save. This sends the invitation to your accountant and adds them to your accounting firm's list with a pending status. They'll receive an email with instructions to accept and connect to your company. If they don't see it within a few minutes, ask them to check spam or junk and confirm the email you entered is correct. You can return to this page later to see whether they've accepted or to resend the invite if needed. That's all it takes. By inviting your accountant this way, you're giving them the proper level of access for reviews, reconciliations, and adjustments without sharing your own login. Keeping this access in the accounting firm's area also makes it easy to manage later on if your team changes. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to add an accountant user to QuickBooks Online quickly and confidently.